The purpose of this video is to show how to remove everything from this phone and reset the dashcam to its initial out-of-the-box status. This applies to the NextBase 322GW, 422GW and 522GW. Locate the two apps to be removed on the phone screen. Lightly press the MyNextbase Connect app and it wiggles with an X in the corner. Press the X and delete when the box appears. Repeat for the Alexa app. Now go into Settings and press the Bluetooth button. Press the eye icon next to the device and choose Forget Device. Confirm, and it's gone. Now, turning to the dashcam, close the Phone Not Connected screen if it appears. Now press the Settings button. Choose Setup, swipe to the right, and choose Keep User Settings. Press Off. Press OK, and then Default Settings. And say Yes to Return Settings to Default. And it's back to first-time use mode and default settings. That's how to reset everything on both your iPhone and the dashcam. If you have any questions or comments, please contact NextBase Technical Support via phone, the live chat on our website, or by emailing support@nextbase.com. Thanks for watching.